If you're a DJ in 2026, you know it's not just about rocking the party anymore. These days, you've got to be a content creator too, like me. Whether it's for social media, YouTube, or live streams, your content is now your brand. Today, I want to show you two of my favorite tools that have been helping me create killer content the last few weeks. This is the Neewer Basics Camera Tripod and the Neewer 22-inch Magic Arm with Clamp. Let's get into it. Let's be real. If you're not posting, you are currently invisible. Social media, YouTube, live streams are how you connect with your audience these days. It's how you get gigs. It's how you build your brand. But to stand out, you need your content to look and sound great. And that's where obviously the right gear fits in. So first up, let's talk about the Neewer Basics Camera Tripod. Here's a few of the reasons I love it. Stability. This thing is super solid. And height. It goes up to 66 inches. So I can get those wide, high shots of my controller or my decks or behind me and get the crowd. It's lightweight, as you can see. It's portable, it folds down, and it's easy to carry to gigs in this little included bag. It's also super versatile. It's got the ball head up on top and the quick release plate to make it easy to switch between my camera, or if I want to put my phone on top, it comes with this adapter as well. I can go from shooting a set to recording an Instagram reel in seconds by flipping it vertical or horizontal. And like I said, the phone holder is included and it fits everything from iPhones, which we have here, and Androids. And you can switch, like I said, between portrait and landscape like that. Pro tip, I use this tripod really for everything. I'd be using it right now to shoot this. I use it for overhead shots, wide shots, or even vlogging at events. Next, let's talk about the Neewer Magic Arm with Clamp. They gotta come up with a better name for that. It's perfect for overhead shots. As you can see, we've got it set up right here. This is my secret weapon for top-down shots. Like I was mixing, scratching, showing off your gear, or even making YouTube videos like this one. Clamp it on your table, your desk, even a light stand. You can put it wherever you want and you're set. It's flexible and strong. The double ball head means you can really pick any angle you want. I mean, we were messing around with it earlier and it holds it steady. I've used this with my phone. I've used it with 360 camera, the Pocket Osmo 3, and even like the mirrorless camera we're using today. It's easy to install. It's a clamp, adjust, lock it down, no tools, no fuss. It comes with 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch heads, so you can mount, like I said, lights, mics, whatever else you need for your content. This is going to be your go-to for your overhead shots of your mixer, your unboxing, or even as a second camera angle like during live stream. You just clamp it to the table, boom, ready to go. Listen, you don't need a full studio anymore to make great content. With a really good solid tripod and one of these arms, you can get great pro level shots anywhere, home, in the club, at a mobile show. These tools quite simply help me stay creative. They save time and they let me focus on what matters the most, which is still the music. So if you're a DJ looking to level up your content game, I can't recommend these enough. And really, I actually love all of Neewer's products that I see on Amazon and get targeted by. The links are gonna be in the description below if you wanna check them out. If you found this helpful, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let me know in the comments what gear you're using or you wanna see next, especially from this company. Thanks for watching, keep rocking, keep creating, and I'll see you next week on the next video.